Hey, okay, so I'm going to take you for a little tour of our villa. So this is our Overwater villa here. And this is the entrance. And then in number 2. So you go through and I can just close this. So here's the little living area. And then the bar. So you've got Mortine for any bugs, mini bar, coffee machine, safe and fridge. And you have loads of water too. And then through here, so we've got TV, sofas, and then the bedroom up here. And then another TV here, lamps. Also, what I love is they actually have plug points right next to each side of the bed, which is so rare in hotels. So many hotels put plug points in the most random places. And then through here, please excuse the mess, we have the bathroom. So huge bath, literally huge, like look how massive that is. And then the towels on the coolest towel rails I have ever seen. I mean, they literally move. They swing about. And then here's the shower with possibly the coolest shower tiles I've ever seen. They're so pretty. And then if we go back this way, these sinks are also insane. Basically, this entire hotel room is made for Instagram and Pinterest. It's just amazing. So you've got these incredible gold his and hers sinks, then a cute little makeup flannel, amenities, hairdryer and towels. And then through here is the toilet, little toilet there, and then a place to put your suitcase, but I've clearly done it the wrong way around. And then you've got a wardrobe with storage space, and an umbrella, iron, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So this room is huge. So this is the Overwater villa, I think, at Warwick le Lagon. And these have actually been recently renovated, so all of this is completely brand new at the moment, and it's amazing. I'm just going to take you out now to see the balcony and the view from the terrace, because it is insane. So ta-da!